que no tendrá el amor, sin poder reír, sin tener opción de escoger con quién yo me casaré.
Esencial, mi gran fortaleza y poder me hacen tan grandioso como el sol.
Peace, love, and blessings, y'all. Welcome back to the channel, just like that. Right now, we are currently in Machu Picchu. We came here last night. I didn't do any recording because, I was tired. The hotel, it has a nice little restaurant up top, but it came with a view. Check out this view. It's nice, huh? Yeah. It's trash.
Yeah, but
It's trash. But we do what you can.
absolutely stunning.
This is just crazy, bro.
The only place I have body fat is on my stomach and my chin.
Yeah, you have this double chin. You used to have 4 of them, now I only got 2.
Fuck yeah, gains.
Man, y'all better be ready for a hike coming up here. That's all I'm saying. Man, this is crazy. This is crazy. I could feel the energy of this place already. Man. But they made this one of the new 7th wonders of the world back in 2007. These are little stairs.
not a good habitat for them.
That was fun.
Too warm.
Too hot for me.
Because my friends, these llamas are from 3,400 meters, the habitat. But the worker now brought only llamas for decoration. Okay? But they didn't bring alpacas, as the alpacas are